so often I see professionals that don't have all the answers. Let's say you're a real estate investor and you're going to an accountant that's a really good accountant, but he doesn't own his own real estate. And it might be giving you very poor tax advice. If you were looking for a medical operation, somebody, your doctor suggested that you have, a procedure done, it's very common in the medical industry to go seek a second opinion. And most doctors aren't offended when you do. However, accountants and attorneys don't feel that way. Oh, if you don't trust me? No, I do trust you, but this is my money. We see this a lot in the medical profession where the accountant is really good at whatever they're doing, but they tend to not give good advice to the medical professionals, or especially for the real estate investors. I do lots of tax returns for real estate investors, but do you own real estate? And have you applied for loans, and are you trying to grow your business like we are? And the answer is, well, no, but I know how to do it. Well, you know one way to do it, but do you know multiple ways? And if your accountant is not a good strategist, they're simply filling out putting all the right information in all the right little boxes after the damage is done. They are very, very good at putting the right information in the right boxes. But are they helping you reduce your taxes is the question. And that's really what we're good at, is really introducing you to good people who are strategists. And what if this happens? And what if this? And sometimes the answers are not as simple as your accountant makes them out to believe. We also believe that nobody's going to be more interested in saving you money than yourself. And so sometimes just a little bit of information can go a very, very long way. Your accountants, your CPAs are only as good as the information you're giving them. And if you're giving them wrong information, or you didn't know, I didn't know I could write off my medical expenses, so I never gave them that information, and they didn't know to ask, they didn't think to ask, and so you're missing that huge tax deduction for medical expenses, or a home office expense, or maybe, was this really a business trip that you took, or was this a business meal? They're only going to look at the information you gave them. So give them good information. That requires that you get a little bit of training, and we're not looking for you to replace your CPA or you to become your own little junior attorney and save the world. We're simply looking for you to have enough information to ask really good questions and give your professionals really, really good information. That's what we're hoping to accomplish. Anyway, so that's what we do at the Protect Wealth Academy, is give some very, very good basic information. Kendall, any other questions that we have here?
No, just comment spend as much. There's a comment online I see a lot too. It's basically spend as much time on your finances as you do researching your new phone or shoes or whatever. And it's true. It's a true stat. People spend more time shopping and researching shopping than they do on their finances.
Or entertaining ourselves,
yeah.
Watching Netflix or watching whatever your Disney or whatever you're doing, rather than spending a little bit more time on our education. I understand we need to relax. I need to relax at the end of the day. I get that, but I also need to educate myself every single day and find new ways to save money, to make money, to improve our business, to treat our employees better. If education is not a standard part of your everyday living, but entertainment is, your balance might need to be adjusted a little bit.